The website I chose is Teacher Pay Teachers. It is a wonderful resource for teachers or anyone in the school for lesson plans, worksheets, printables, inspirational posters, classroom decorations. There are all sorts of things. I've used this many times as a parapro in an elementary school. You can select the grade level. I work with first and second grade a lot, so I will select that. And I usually scroll down and select free, but you can choose so many different things. You can choose what subject you would like, the price, the resource type. So I will select free, and then you can go down and look at different things. This is an organizational kit. You can find anything you would like on Teacher Pay Teachers. It is wonderful. There are so many things. So I will select this, and you just press download now, and it tells you that the grade levels that it's for, what subject it is, and what type of resource it is. This website is super easy to navigate, and it's very quick to download what you need. You can also scroll down and see related things, and there are lots of cute seasonal things on here. You can select all different things while that is downloading, and it gives you a preview most of the time of what is in each file. And it's all teachers that post on here, so when you buy something, you are supporting a teacher, which I love. Let that finish downloading. And there it is. It is super quick. So now you just print this off and you have a math worksheet for your student.